فوق السحاب يطير حرا مدركا نسمو كماله للكون وجه آخر نحيا.
Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to explain what led me to Islam. I've got this question a lot. In the time when I grew up, I heard a lot of negative news about Islam. The image of Islam was very negative, and the media influenced a lot of people in this way. Later, when I became older, I started to hear more about Islam and about what is allowed and what is not allowed in the religion. That is the moment that I started to search more information and to read more about Islam, because I was curious for the reasons behind it. That made me actually more interested, and that made me also want to buy the Quran so that I could read it from the source itself. So I bought the Quran, and when I received it I felt a little bit nervous because this was something totally new for me. When I was reading the Quran, I didn't understand everything directly, so I started to look for more information on the internet, and I saw a lot of Islamic YouTube videos. There I learned a lot of new information, for example about the science in Quran, and that really amazed me so much. So my interest in the religion grew more and more. Every day I am learning, and I will continue to learn, but this is the reason what led me read and learn more about Islam. If you have any more questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching. See you soon.